Good evening, everybody. The air show has just finished in Torbay, so I'm trying to head over to the range, pick up a couple of big bikes, shoot over to Totnes, pick up a few smaller bikes, and then over to Slapton to do some bike photography. Yeah, the roads in Torbay are just about to become very busy, so I'm hoping the big bikes I'm meeting are ready to go. We can get out of here as quick as we can before the air show traffic causes chaos. You will protect me, little one. You can clear the traffic for me. Oh, nice bike. Nice bike. Very nice bike. Nice bike. Right, so the big bikes are nowhere in sight. I'm sure they'll catch me up though. No, it should be a really good laugh tonight. I got my son Williams in a car with somebody else. He's got all the camera gear. So I've got one camera, lenses, flashes. I want to do some panning photography is the main thing I want to do tonight. Yeah, we've got a real mix of bikes tonight. So we've got 4 big ones, 5 125s, and a car.
Will. That can ride a bike, but you can't.
I left them for dust.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I don't know, literally, right, I had green lights all the way, they had red all the way. I thought they'd catch up with me, but they haven't. So. Woo! 4 big bikes. Oh, here we go. We got the crew. Oh, this is going to be fun. This is going to be so much fun.